Hey, what it do? What's Gucci YouTube? This is your what? This is your favorite. Back again, guys, with another what? With another banger. So you guys saw in the thumbnail, guys, we're gonna be talking about gold. Now, this one we don't make this videos always, but I just wanted to make this video to show you guys that I appreciate you. I've been planning to make this video for a long time, but I've been neglecting because you guys have not been showing love and all that. You guys did not show, sorry, but now, this time, you guys are showing me love. The numbers are going up. I like the way the channel is growing. Let's get the channel to 2,000 subscribers, guys. Before we get into this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Like, pause the video now, go subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe. And obviously, if you want to learn how I trade, here's my poster. This is my course. My WhatsApp number will be down in the description below. If you want to get the broker that I'm trading with or trade with the same broker, the link is down below. If you want to join my free signals group, the link is down below. And this is also my poster for my robot, guys. It trades aggressively. Like if I'm not with the chart, the robot operates. So if you want to get that also, you can just contact me on the same number, that same WhatsApp number in the description below, and we can operate, guys. Also, guys, my Instagram is heading to 30K followers, guys. 30K. Please make sure you go follow me on Instagram at uncle.nasdaq. Let's do the most, guys. So as you can see on gold, let's get right into it, guys. So you guys always saw that I always like starting on the daily, right? But before we start with the chart, let me just go explain to you guys how this strategy is gonna go about, right? Let me just gonna explain to you guys how the gold strategy goes about and whatever, guys. So as you guys can see here, let's say here we do have like a, let's say we have like an uptrend here. Now this one is not like Nasdaq's video, guys. Just bear with me. It's not like Nasdaq's video. And then here you have a downtrend, right? So with gold, this is about sniper entries, guys. It's not about like the other video, right? So I don't know how to get this thing like off here. I want to get it like off. So I don't know now. How do I get it like off from here? Okay, let me just put it. Where can I put it? Like I want it to go off this thing. There's something here, guys. Like the recording thing that I use, that I'm using. It's currently disturbing me, right? Yeah. Now it's gone, guys. Now it's gone. So let me just get this. Okay, guys. So as you can see here, what you're gonna be expecting from the market is 1, 2, and then 3 here. So you see here you have 1, and then you have 2, and then here you have your third touch. So you're looking to buy on that point. Now, I know you guys have heard this from other mentors before. Guys, bear with me. Like I said, let me just explain to you guys what I'm talking about. There you want to buy, right? So we're not at the sniper entry yet. We're still on the basic. So just bear with me. And then when it comes to the downtrend, it gives you 1, 2, 3, right? This is your third touch. What do you want to do there? There you want to sell, right? So that's the basics. That's what they are teaching you in your mentorship on YouTube. That's what they teach you, but they don't teach you how to enter. I'm sorry, they don't teach you how to enter. And obviously, if you're trading with like a local broker that moves fast, that makes money fast, it can also take money fast. Or let's say you're trading with a high leverage, right? It's easy for you to lose money because why? You are entering at the wrong place. That's how I'm going to teach you today to take sniper entries. So we're going to leave this as is, and then we're going to push down. So when we push down here, this is what you guys want to see, right? We call this a what? A bullish flag, right? We're going to be focusing on reversal patterns here, right? Or continuation patterns, right? And then end continuation patterns. So this one, we call it the bearish flag. And then this one, we call it a wedge, a rising wedge, right? And then obviously you get the opposite, right? Then you get the opposite here, which is the what? This one is the falling wedge, right? This one is the falling wedge. And then obviously you get all types of types of what do you call this? All types of patterns, right? You get this pattern, which I think it's the symmetrical what they call it, guys. And then obviously there's also this one. So all these patterns, guys, I'll show you guys how they move. So let's get to the market. Now, when you see this when the market is coming like this is like uptrend, downtrend, what we talked about in our previous video. So if you did not watch that video, please don't continue watching this one. Pause, go watch that one and come back here, right? So here we're going down, we're going up, we're going down, we're going up. On your third touch of that thing, of that what do you call this, the bullish flag, you're gonna want to buy, right? You're gonna buy there. You're not gonna wait for breakout. This is not a trend line. This is a channel, right? You're gonna buy on your third touch. You buy, and then also you're gonna enter again when it breaks out and retests. You're gonna enter again. You see now you are scaling up your profit margin and all that, your funds, because if you can check here, your mentor only teaches you to enter here on this when it breaks this neckline here. Obviously, this is the neckline. It breaks, retest. Your mentor only teaches you, but you can also enter here, guys. It depends on how you enter. You need to wait for there's a lot of things that comes with enter. It's candlestick confirmations, guys. It's news. It's everything, right? So yeah, guys. So we're getting this step by step, right? So here it's coming from above. This one we call it a what? A bearish flag. The other one was a bullish flag. On your third touch, you sell, breaks out, you sell again, right? These are what? Two entries. First one here, second one when it breaks the neckline. You see, so that's how you trade this two. Now let's get to this one. Now this one, it's obviously the market coming in with its bigger movement, right? And then gets small, and then it gets small, and then it gets smaller. Now it depends. Is the market going to break up to the upside, or is it going to break out to the what? To the downside. Now let's say at this point, it's going to break out to the upside, right? It's going to break out, it's going to retest, it's going to buy. Now I'm going to tell you why I'm doing that retest there. Now, look, always the market always has highs and lows, guys. So here, this is the last high that was made for this symmetrical pattern, right? And then obviously you have there, right? So here you're not going to do 1 2 3 1 2 3 because it can break out at any side. You wait for it to break out, retest. It retested the neckline, sharp. You have the retest of the neckline. That's now okay, sharp. This is now your first entry. This is your first entry. This is going to be your second entry, guys. And then you're going to push it to the top side. So you're going to make sure at least you can at least push. Let's see. If we enter here, you can at least push around, let's say 30 pips. Yeah, push at least around 30 pips. Now I know it's very small for some people. You guys, you like trading pips. Guys, don't trade pips. Trade coins, guys. Trade coins. Now you are pushing pips, but you trade 30 pips, you're only making $5. Nah. You must look for that right broker. Even like on the broker that I'm trading with, if I trade like gold and I trade even just 10 pips, bro, and I go in full margin, that's it, boy. That's it. Just this move from here to here, I'm done for the day. You see, oh, I'm looking for other opportunities. So here, let's see if that 30 pip also it's going to work. We're also going to test it on the live chart, guys. We're also going to test it on the live chart. Look at that. So here, with this one, it's nice, guys, because look here, this one has like a lot of highs. It's like a trend line. So you see here, it's like this. So with this one, you can even like enter here when it breaks and retests, and then you can enter here again. And then from the last entry, you target like more 10 pips above. Oh, yo, guys, that's like nice. So obviously you do the same with this one. It's just the same, guys. It's opposite, right? And then now with this one now, this one is the one with the correction. It starts small. This one is the one that starts very small, guys. This one starts like with the correction, and then it gets bigger. Then it gets bigger, and then you just see do this. But then obviously we have now 1 2 3 here. That's where it gets bigger now. 1 2 3, and then it sells. You have the market can do that, guys. You don't know the market. So it's 1 2 3. With this one, it's like this one. You wait for the breakout retest and then you enter. You see, it's the same as that one. So we are done also with this one. It's these two are the same. These two are the same. It's just like they're opposite, and this thing can also sell as long it's the same. Now with the rising wedge, you're looking for sales. Rising wedge is something like this. This is rising wedge. You will see the market, this thing, it's almost like the symmetrical one, like the triangular one, but this one is the rising wedge. So here it's like 1 2 3 touches. Let's get the fourth one, and then it's the breakout. Where are you going to take your entry? You're going to take your entry either at the third touch or at this one. But look, even if you take your sell here and it comes down and it hits your stop loss, you're going to enter here again. You see? So it doesn't matter even if it hits your stop loss 2 times. The last one, you're gonna get it. When you get that one, you ride it. You go with it, 30 pips, 40 pips. You can even chase like a 50 pip, guys. That's gonna cover up all those losses. You see? Now, let's get into it. So you're gonna enter here, right? You're gonna enter there, and then you're gonna push what? You're gonna push like 40, let's say. Where's that thing, Joe? Let's say 40 pip. Let's say like a 40 pip trade. 40 pip take profit, right? And then maybe like a young, with the stop loss, you can even just target like a young 10 pip, guys. I think 10. What is this? Hey, sorry, guys. This thing. Okay, sharp. Okay, so you're targeting 40 pips and you are risking 10 pips. So it's just the same. Hey guys, I wanna like I don't know, my thing it's not good. Like I don't know if you guys can hear like I'm breaking up or something with the microphone. But yeah, guys, let's just continue. So here you can see with this one, it's now opposite, right? So it's almost like let me explain that with the TP and stop loss. Hey, you see these things, they are distracting me while I'm on a movement, while I'm fire now in the teachings. Yeah, so you see here, you can even like target like the last low here, boy. But let's keep it on like 40 pips. So here, what you're gonna do is it's gonna break out here, right? So you're gonna enter here, you're gonna enter here, and you're gonna enter here. Now, what you're not realizing what the market is doing, it's forming another what? You will see after a rising wedge, it's always forming another zone to do what? So that's why with this rising wedge, you make a lot of money. It forms another one to give you another buy. To give you another buy. So let me just plug in the PC quickly, guys, on the charger. Then we'll finish with the falling wedge. We still have to go analyze the chart, right? So just give me some time. I'm just gonna plug in the PC quickly. Then I'm gonna be back. All right, guys. So I've just plugged in the PC to the charger. So let me just continue with where we left off. So remember, guys, what I said. This one is like a falling wedge. Yo, I'm just waiting for this thing like to clear, guys. Like, hey, this microphone is busy with me today. And I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's busy with me. So this one is like a falling wedge. This one comes from the top side to coming to the bottom side. Hey, you see this thing now. This thing, Angela must say, but this thing. Okay, sharp. So now this one is coming down, it's going up like this, and then it comes here. Now it's the third touch again. You can also like buy from here, right? So when you buy here, this one I'm just gonna use like the rectangle. When you buy here, it's gonna break out, it's gonna retest. And what is it gonna give you? Here you can see it's giving you impulse, head and shoulder. You see? So you focus on those tiny things. You're gonna make money, guys. And then here it breaks out, it retests, it breaks out, retest. It continues like that. It keeps on going like that, right? So now let's go there and we're gonna see like what we can do. So remember, like, I always start like on the daily. Away. So push this one here. So you guys know I always start on the daily. And the reason why I start on the daily is to get them zones. Because when you get those zones, like when you outline these zones or highlight these zones, you're gonna see it's gonna be easy to trade those rising wedge, falling wedge, those things. Because you already have zones now where like you can like take your entry point and get the market structure. You're not really gonna take your entry from those zones, but you're gonna get like the market structure from them, right? So here we have this one, and then we're just gonna get like a few of them, guys, not a lot, just a few of them like that. So from there you're gonna go to the 4-hour time frame. There's no trend line here. Most You're gonna go to the 4-hour time frame. Now let me explain something to you guys before we continue with this one. Let me go back and explain how this one worked, right? So let's start here. I see the internet is tripping our sharp. Let's start here. So here you can see it's going up. You see it's going up. So from there now, when it's going up, okay, before that, maybe like you're looking like for a proper buy here. So here you have your first touch, here you have your second touch, and then obviously here you have your third touch. I'm sorry. So if you get like your third touch, you're looking for what? Candlestick confirmation, sharp. Then you push down with the time frame. You cannot like look for candlestick confirmation on that time frame of the trend line. Nah, you need to like push down so you can get those smaller time frame confirmation, so you can enter before like like the people with big funds before they enter. You see, because like if you have like a 500 Rand account and you want to trade gold, and you know like you're using a high leverage or you want to over leverage the account, you see the problem comes with you're gonna blow that account before the movement. That's why you want to get a proper entry on a small time frame. Okay, guys, this thing just loaded, so let's operate something. So as you can see here now on the small time frame, it's giving you even more confluences to buy. You see, because here now you have this channel here. You see you have that channel there, right? And then you have this one. So this one, we called it a what, guys? We called it a bullish flag. And then you have what? And then you have a double bottom. You're going to outline all those things, guys. And then you wait for the market to give you at least 2 bullish candlesticks, or like the market should show you momentum. You see, so here it gives you pa. When you see that, you're going in with the buy. You're going in with the buy. You're putting your stop loss way just below that double bottom. It's not even a lot. You put it below that double bottom, that's 9 pips. And then we said you're targeting how much? You're targeting like 40 pips, boy. You're targeting like 40 pips. Look at that. Look at that. With your 500, you will flip it easily for my 10K, guys. That's the reality of this thing. It's that easy. So let's make one more example before we analyze current market price. So here, okay, here we have one again, guys. Here we have one again. So here you can see you have a trend line again, guys. Here you have a trend line. These things, they don't stop. They happen every day. It just depends. Are you ready to trade? But if you still cannot understand me, nice guys, the poster is there. I dropped it. My WhatsApp number is in the description. You can operate something. So remember, I told you guys about breakouts. Okay, this one we saw it on the 1 hour. So we're going to the 30-minute time frame to get what? To get confirmation. So let's just make it small. Let's go look for those. Where did we analyze those things, guys? So it's on the back side. It's on the back side. Okay, here we have it, guys. So here now, we're going to zoom into the chart and then we're going to see. So here you're just going to like operate this thing now. You're just going to operate it now. Right, you're going to operate this thing now. Sometimes things won't be perfect, guys. You got to make it perfect the way you understand it, the way like you feel confident in doing them, right? So there we have it. So what I'm doing here now, I have one here. And you know why I'm regarding this as a touch? The market simply just reversed there, guys. If you put a line chart there, you're going to see. Let me show you, guys. If you put a line chart there, you can see the market also reversed there. So it's not something that you guys should be talking about. Hey, wait, Uncle Nasdaq did this. Nah. Like, I'm teaching you how to make money. You should just listen. Second touch, third touch. What you're gonna do on the third touch? You're gonna sell. And how do you see this thing is selling? Boy, look how that bullish candlestick closed. I'm not even lying to you. Look how that candlestick closed with a big rejection. That's like with me. I'm gonna enter there, boy. I'm gonna enter my sell as this one is starting. I put my stop loss, like we said 10 pips. You're gonna even put it like 10 pips, boy. And then you're gonna take profit where 30 to 40 pips. This one is what? This one is 30 pips. So you're gonna check it, boy. It's gonna drop. And even like if you feel like nah, it's not gonna hit like 40 point TP or like 40 pip, you can even put like your take profit. Look here, it hit again, guys. 40 pip. Okay, almost. What you can do is like as the market is going, you see, as the market is moving, you're gonna lock your thing. You're just gonna lock. You're gonna make this trade. Hey, but now what am I doing? Okay, sharp. You're just gonna make this trade a risk-free trade. So every time you're gonna lock your profit, you're gonna lock your profit. So as the market is turning back, it takes out there, then you have like a lot of profit. You see, as the market already starting to move like this heavily, you're gonna put your stop loss in what? Break even. Then this trade is a what? Risk-free trade. That's how you're gonna operate this thing, guys. So let's go to the daily again. I think now we have to like make those zones over, guys. Yo, because I reset the chart. But let's see. Let's plug them quickly, guys. So let me just analyze gold for you guys before we end off the video, so you guys can know what direction or what I'm expecting for tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm expecting now we have that thing there. And then which one did we have after, guys? Hey, if you guys could comment here, dude, that would be nice, guys. Okay, I didn't see this one, I think, before. And then I think we had this one also. You see, guys, me, I don't try. I know what I'm doing. So then you go to the 4-hour time frame. Going to the 4-hour time frame, you can see the same thing, guys. You can see the same thing. You can see the same thing. There you have something like that, guys. And this one, I think it's like opening. I think let's take it from the top side because it already happened. So let's take it from the top side. So let's see what it's all about. So it's like something like that, but that's not correct, guys. So we're gonna start it where it started creating the channel, because that's not nice. That's not something I'd advise you to do. So yeah, let's take it on that touch, because that touch was the one that liquidated the other week. So we're gonna take it on that one. What are we looking here now? Here it's a bit tricky here, guys, because you can see here we're on support. We're on a big support here. The market is on a big support. So it might be a fake out for it to buy, because you can see this last selling candlestick, it closed, it's smaller than this one. So it means that there's no momentum. But let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see. So here, obviously here you can carve. Here you can carve, you have a support there, right? You can carve the support. And you can see, Bona, like how the market is reversing here. Like you can see, you cannot tell me you want to take a sell here while the market is showing you this thing just because of a trend line. Then wapapa, Joe, like even like maybe like you know what's gonna happen in the future. I don't know what's your story, Mara. Vele me what I see, I'm not seeing something like that. So here, guys, you can obviously see the same thing. Also, remember what we explained here. You have like a trend line, but you're not gonna use that one. This one, even you can use it. Breakout retest. Here you see the retest, you sell, and then we're gonna use this one. This one I heard something from one of the YouTubers who called this one major key. I'm not just sure, but I heard about major key. So this one also, you can see, if you did not watch the last video, we talked about breaking out, giving us the correction. After the correction, we sell. Like it's what we call what? We call it a impulse, correction, and a what? And a impulse. You see this one now, it's a second impulse. This thing is doing stupid things, man. But let's finish the current setup. So the current setup, we can see it's on support, but it might even break that support, bring it into resistance. So let's go to 15 minutes, assuming now here we don't have structure. Way sharp. So you can see now the market is no more impulsing to the downside. Remember what we explained last time? If it wants to reverse, what it's doing. So it was impulse, correction, impulse the whole time. Now it's starting with now correction. It's correcting now to the downside. Bouncing, and then later on you'll just see a biggest buy. So when it's correcting like that, what you do is you don't do long things, guys. You just plug your trend line. You just plug your trend line. You plug your trend line. If you don't feel like confident in that trend line, you delete. You plug another one. You see here, there are a lot of highs, guys. You can plug the way you want. The way like you are confident in saying, okay, sharp, I feel like this trend line is the one. So me, I feel this one is the one, mainly because here it is 1, here it is 2. Let's put it on the line chart. You guys think maybe, I don't know. Here's it. It's 2. It's proper. I know what I'm doing, guys. You should just listen. That's what I said. Just take notes, guys. Just take notes. I'm not even bragging or anything or like flexing. I'm just saying like, you are watching my video. I'm not watching yours. So you should just relax. Don't comment negativity things. You will just look stupid, because at the end of the day, you are the one that's watching my shit. You see. So remember what we said about this, the things that move like this. We call them what? Consolidation. They continue to the same direction. So here you can see the market now, it came down, and now it's starting to consolidate. But with this consolidation, it's pushing hard to the top side. So it might be taking like something like this also. You have this thing just to do this. So obviously what you're going to do here is you're just going to print out something like this. So once it breaks here, you can enter, guys. You can enter there, but I'm not going to enter there. I always like taking like the major highs and then taking it from there. So I'm going to wait for it to break there. I also see there's like a sensitive zone here. So you have with this thing. So I'm going to take a risk entry. So maybe once it like, you guys can like for me, I would have entered somewhere here already if I was like trading aggressively. So here, you wait for it to retest, you buy. It might come back to the high, you buy. Because if you can check here, oh shit. Guys, I don't like using this thing that I'm using now to record. It's doing shit, boy. Yeah, so you can see here, you reaches buy. That's basically how we're going about trading gold and all those things. So here on gold, I told you guys we might be seeing sales if the market breaks here, but then if the market keeps on buying, we are gonna just stick to the buying opportunities, right? So that's it for gold. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel and comment down below, guys, what you like best about this video, guys. I'll catch you guys on another video. This is your mentor, Uncle Nasdaq, signing out. Danko.